If today you are feeling tired, unimportant, or unappreciated, this is for you. Maybe you've been giving so much sa friends, sa family, sa trabaho, pero parang walang nakakakita. Yung tipong pagod ka na pero kailangan na bumangon ka pa rin para sa kanila. You give and you give and you give. Kaya minsan nakakalimutan mo lang tanungin yung sarili mo, kamusta na ba ako? Let me remind you that your presence matter even if they don't say it. You are making someone's life lighter just by being here. Hindi mo man naririnig yung thank you na deserve mo. The heaven sees you. God sees your quiet sacrifices and even your silent tears. Lalong-lalo na nakikita ni Lord yung heart mo na mas parating pinipiling magmahal kahit pagod na. Please do not forget that you are not invisible. You are not forgotten. You matter. You are enough. You are loved more than you know. At kung nakalimutan mo na naman bukas, balikan mo lang ulit ito and know that you are always loved.